Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will go over how to add a paywall video page to SquareSpace. First, you want to be logged into your SquareSpace store. From there, we will go to Pages, and we will click the plus under the not linked and add videos. From here, you can choose a layout for your video page, and it will open your videos. Clicking into the video page, you can update the page title, update the navigation title, and the custom URL, and save. On the video overview page, you'll be able to see how the videos flow. From here, you'll click Add a Pricing Plan and create a pricing plan. This will allow you to put a paywall up for this video page. So it already adds in some information, but you'll want to customize this to your need. You'll add what benefits the customer will receive, and you can do a fixed amount for multiple 1 to 12 payments. And you can do the amount for each payment. You can also set up a subscription where it repeats every month. You can also have it do every week and every year, or you can allow free access. If you want us to add multiple subscription options, you could do that here, where you can add the specified month, week, or year and set up those subscriptions. Then if you would like to add more digital products to your video pages, you can do that here. You can set your sign up limits for enrollment dates for when they are able to start and when the last date is for them to be able to purchase this page. Once you have those set up, you'll click create, and that will create a pricing plan paywall for your page. This will be what the paywall looks like, and you can edit this landing page here. So that is how to add a paywall video to SquareSpace.